welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry for this past 2 weeks. I didn't have any new videos on my channel, so I've been busy on my work. So today, what we're gonna do today is let's unbox the ring light that I bought on Marketplace. So I don't know in the Philippines if they have it also Marketplace over there on Facebook. So just give me a comment and tell me if you have it also over there in the Philippines. Like if you go to Facebook, you will see the marketplace over there. But here in Texas, we have a marketplace on our Facebook. So yeah, this is the relay that I bought over there in marketplace for like $20. About three of those today. So this is the other one. So let's go ahead and assemble this thing and let's see the quality, if it's worth it of $20 that we paid. So all right, so this is a SMN10. Here you go, and it's a 26 centimeter high. So all right, let's go assemble it. We have 3 bags in the has 3 bags in there. All right. So here we go. I think this is the stand for the ring light. All right, here we go. Just adjust it over here. Open it up. There we go. So here, right over here, this is where you adjust the height. And right over here also in the next one, you can adjust it also. See if you want it to be like a little bit higher, just adjust it over here. For now, let's just put it in a little bit lower area. So here we go. That's your stand over here. So next one is the ring light. There's your ring light over here. 26 centimeter long. That's this one. Here you go, guys. So this one is gonna go over here on the top. It's not that hard to assemble it, guys. So it has a thread under it. That goes over here. All right, we're good. So as you can see, all right, let's go test the light on. So that's it, guys. So let's turn it on. It has three options. If you like, if you want a little bit, this one is so brighter. So if you want a little bit, like a little bit brighter, you can just adjust it. See, and it's like a color green, yellow, something. And this is the brighter one. This is the white one. And you can adjust the brightness of the light here. It has, as you can see over here. So I'll show you. If you want to adjust the bright, just press over here. And if you want more brighter light, just so that's it, guys. So what do you think, guys? Just give me a comment about this light. It's a SMN10. I bought it for only $20 on Marketplace on Facebook. But for me, the quality is good though, so not bad for $20. So just give me a comment. What do you think about this light? So that's it, guys.